Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I'm hoping Miss Callie Cat joins me today because I have the Cat Lady box. I love this box. Callie loves this box. Actually, all my cats have been, I had it sitting right here and they have all been rubbing on it, all been wanting me to open it. It's been here for a couple days. I know some of y'all know I have not been my healthiest, but I am pushing through, y'all. It will get there. I will get there somehow. But anyway, if you are interested in the Cat Lady box, it is such a fun box for anybody who loves cats as much as I do. Whether you have cats or not, you can be a cat lady. Or, you know, just because it says lady does not mean you have to be a lady. Men love cats too. My husband can tell you. Or he is proof. He is living proof. He is obsessed with that cat and the cat's obsessed with him. Bonnie Faye is his, by the way. Callie Cat's mine and Meow belongs to everyone. Well, they all belong to all of us, but, you know, they just get attached to certain people. Meow's really mine. He's mine. You don't get to see Meow because he is a nervous kitty. He actually came to me as a feral kitten. So, he just showed up in my backyard. I spent hours just sitting outside, being as still as I possibly could, making little trails of kitty treats to me so that I could come, he would come to me. He was injured, not a bad injury, just a little limp, but enough for me to worry. And shortly after that, Callie Cat showed up in my backyard. I guess she smelled the treats. She is very treat driven. And it took me months and months, but finally before cold winter hit, they were inside with me, and you know, it's history from there. Little backstory on my kitties. Okay, Cat Lady box. I'm sorry I'm distracted. I'm distracted, y'all. One of these days, I'll get it right. But Cat Lady box, there's two different sizes. You can get the Cat Lady box or the Crazy Cat Lady box. I get the Crazy Cat Lady box. The Cat Lady box comes with 3 to 4 items in it that are for us people who love cats. It is $34.99 a month. Now the Crazy Cat Lady box, that's the one that comes with stuff for your kitties as well. You still get those 3 to 4 items for people who love kitties, but you also get 2 items that are for your kitties. So that is $39.99 a month. That's what I get because my cats love the Cat Lady toys. They are everywhere in my house. It's practically all they play with anymore. They all have catnip in them. Most all of them have catnip in them. I'm not affiliated. I don't get anything if you click the link below. I do really love this box though. I love it. I think it's so great. They donate to charities for cat rescues, things like that. They promote an artist each month. They tell you who they donated to the last month and each month. And this box is the very special box. This is the Black Cat box that they do every October, and I am so excited. I love it. I love it. Actually, I think my first one I ever got was the Black Cat box, and I've been in love with this box ever since. So let's just get into this box because they, oh yeah, I just can't wait. I cannot wait. Callie Cat, wanna come see what's in the Cat Lady box? Come here. Come here. She's looking at me and licking her lips. Okay. Oh, look at the art this month. Oh my gracious. Cat Lady box. That is adorable. I love these little cards. You can actually frame these cards because they're a good quality card. This is actual artwork from an actual artist. Monika Suska. Monika Suska is a full-time illustrator and part-time traveler from Warsaw, Portland. In her own words, she's a legit crazy animal lady, and she has drawn a lot of cats. So I'll put information down below if you want to follow her on Instagram, find out more about her. This is just too cute. All right, so Cat Lady Box Cares. These are the rescues they were able to donate to last month since we get this box. Tommy Cat Foundation, It's Meow or Never, Heart of the Valley Animal Shelter, and Little Wanderers NYC. So I love that. I love that they donate part of the proceeds to these rescues and places. So on the back, they also tell you what is in the box, and we are just going to find out. Oh my goodness. Look at y'all. I know. Meowsing cat magnets set of 6. Oh, look at the magnets. They're so cute. They got some weight to them. Portion of all proceeds go to cat rescue organizations. Thank you for helping us and cats in need. Very cute. Look at how adorable they are. Oh, I can't wait to put these on my refrigerator. Been needing some new refrigerator magnets. Too cute. Like the purple one. Adorable. I love it. So these are the Black Cat Magnet Set. Bright pops of color make these glass magnets the happiest way to hang things. A value of $14.99. And if you've seen any of the videos of me in the kitchen, you know that I always have artwork from the kids on my refrigerator. It has been part of my life for as long as I can remember. As long as there are kids in my life, there will be artwork on my refrigerator. Alright, so we got some kitty toys here. This is just too cute. Look at that. It's dressed as a pineapple. It's dressed as a pineapple. Meowgical Pineapple Kitty Catnip Toy. Every year we dress up our black cat toys for Meowoween. This year she's a cute pineapple. I have last year's still floating around somewhere because Bonnie loved it. She loved the black cat toy. She carried it around. I cannot remember what it was dressed as though, but this is just adorable. Absolutely. Look at the tail. Oh my gracious. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you smell it, don't you? Licking the lips. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Hop up in mommy's lap. Come on. Come on, baby girl. She's like, I don't know, Mom. This is a value of $5.99. The other one I have in my hand, there she goes. Miss Cali Cat, everybody. You want to say hi, baby girl? Say hi. Hi. Not going to say hi? Alright, so this is the Black Cat Paw Catnip Toy. Perfectly sized for pouncing in and batting around, which my cats love to do, and stuffed with premium catnip, of course, valued at $4.99. She's like, ooh, what's in here? Is it for me? Oh, does it smell? Oh, did it smell good? Oh. How about the kitty? She's like, must get in box. Oh, must get in box. Meow. You got a kitty on your back? Yeah? She's like, I'm just gonna lay down. Ooh, ooh, must have, must have. Oh, she got it. Get it, girl. Told you my cats love the cat lady toys. Get it? Oh. They're not a better advertisement than just your cat playing with the toys. It comes up perfect. What about this one? You just gonna take a bath now? All right, I'll keep going. Like, I see it. I see it. All right. So we always get a shirt. You gonna get after the shirt now, huh? What's on the shirt? I can't see it. Black Cat Fan Club, established 2015. Oh, how cute. Adorable. Love the color. Very cute. What do I get an extra large. It's 100% cotton. Machine wash warm inside out with like colors. Tumble dry low, medium iron. That is too cute. Adorable. What? Oh, the vicious kitty. The vicious kitty. Did you hear somebody else? Did one of the other kitties make a noise? All right, let's see. I didn't read about that shirt. Where did my paper go? Okay. Black Cat Fan Club tee. Black cats are some of the best cats, and you can show off your love for them with this fan club tee. It is valued at $21.99. All right, so the last thing in here, I think it's a blanket. I love my other cat lady blanket. I have it right over there, as a matter of fact. Here we go. Black Cat Blanket, super soft and cozy. Our exclusive blanket is perfect for cozying up with your cats. Valued at $18.99. Oh, it's very cute. And it is really soft. Soft and cozy for sure. And it's lovely. Oh, look at the fuzziness. Oh my goodness, I love it. My niece is going to steal it. I know she is. I love it. So what did y'all think of the Black Cat Lady box? October 2022 Black Cats box. I love the artwork. I love the blanket. I love the shirt. I love the magnets. And Callie approves of the 2 toys. I think this was a pretty great box. It was so fun. Personally, I, as a cat lady, as a crazy about cats, cat lady, I think this box is definitely worth the money. What do you think? Have you tried this box? If you haven't, I would encourage you to give it a try. Like I said, I may not be affiliated, but I want to be. I love this box. I love the company. Great people. Perfect people. Perfect people. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you will go down and press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribing is free, and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, press the notification bell, and if you want to donate to the channel, there are 2 ways to do that. You can press a super thanks, which lets you tip through YouTube, or you can buy me a cup of coffee. There is a link below for that, which is just another way to tip. Thank you so very much. I hope y'all have a happy Halloween, a safe month of October. Y'all, enjoy your kitties, give them some love for me, and God bless.